Hare Krishna. This incident occurred about 40 years ago in a bustling, major, metropolitan central business district. A devotee was distributing books there. Several cases of his books were hidden from view behind a curtain. Later on, that day, during the time that the devotee was distributing books, he learned from someone else that government people had stolen all of his cases of books, put them in a van, and driven quickly away. Outraged, the book distributor went to the local city government and demanded compensation. He was then referred to the head of the local government department. The local government department man was threatened. The book distributor said, if you don't return my books, I will make a big case out of this. I will go to the police and tell them you did something illegal, and I will also make this a very high-profile case, informing the media of what you had done. The head of the government then made a deal with the devotees. Okay, I will return your books if you withdraw your threat to go to the government, to go to the local police, and to go to other government offices, and I'll return all your books if you promise this. And I'll also compensate you with money, a couple of $1,000. What do you think of that? And he said, well, I'm very grateful that you will return the books and compensate the money, but I also want you to promise that if I give you a Bhagavad Gita out of the books that were stolen, you will read it. And you have to agree that I can contact you periodically to find out if you are actually reading the book. I will be asking you questions about the Bhagavad Gita. So that was the deal. The books were returned, and the deal was struck that way. Hare Krishna.